Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Mazda 3. Stock number is A6997. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end now, you have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there is a 60-40 split on the back seats. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen, it includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.